Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. I wanted to go over an article I posted about Google TPUs, which are known as tensor processing units. It's reported that Google machine learning chips, these TPUs, TensorFlow, or tensor processing units, are faster than Nvidia GPUs. So if you go to my blog here, Google machine learning chips are faster than Nvidia GPUs. What you find are 4 articles. First article is from this Oodles Technologies. In there you'll find a research paper from Google, which does various benchmarks against the Tesla K80 from Nvidia. So here it is, this research paper. And what you'll find is that the TPU, tensor processing units, 15 times is it 15 or 20% faster than the K80. Just do a search for that. The TPU is 25 times as many MACs, 3.5 times as much on-chip memory as the K80. TPU is 15 to 30% faster as inference than the K80 GPU and the Haswell CPU. So here's the benchmarks. I'm not going to get into the nitty-gritty in this research paper, but one thing I will show you is the performance of these TPUs is much faster. So I'll let you go through this article itself. But you can see here in green is the TPU performance. So it's quite much higher than anything else. So it's pretty impressive. Now, the technicals so far, it's done in Google Go programming language. And what I did was I wanted to see what the typical price was for these boards. Apparently, the answer on Quora does not intend to sell the TPUs commercially, but you can get access through the Google Cloud computing offering. You have to rent it, similar to Amazon AWS. And there was a figure thrown out. It's very expensive. Yeah, here we go. If Google builds only a few thousand of these chips, it looks like a high overhead cost for them. Each chip will then cost upwards of $10,000. Build a fully custom ASIC takes anywhere from $35 to $100 million, depending on design team, timeline, process node, and design complexity. Incredible. So leave that article. Also, here's the verbiage from Google about it, how you can train the machine learning models on these new Google Cloud TPUs, as mentioned. Came out in May 2017. Some blurbs about it, no cost mentioned, but I'm sure it's very expensive. And then back in April, Nvidia tried to respond to the benchmarking. But I don't think Google will go out of their way to lie about the performance. But something to keep your eye on. Again, it's built around TensorFlow, specifically using, looks like Google Go as well. So I just wanted to note that for y'all, and hopefully you get something out of it. Talk to you later.